Hello viewers. In this video, we will discuss 25 rapid fire questions with Manyavardhan. The name of this show is 25 this or that. So, first question, Manyavardhan, is infantry versus para SF.
Para SF.
Para SF. Second, para SF versus military intelligence.
Military intelligence.
Okay. So, third one, Dhurandhar or James Bond.
Dhurandhar.
Dhurandhar. Or let's change the topic. Fourth one. It's a dal bati or your aloo ke parathe. What is your go-to meal?
Dal bati.
Always. Always. Okay. So the fifth question is also regarding food. AFSB, SSB or Naval Selection Board. Which food you have liked the most?
AFSB food. They serve non-veg. Very good.
Okay. So accommodation wise also the
Yes.
same. Yes. Sixth, JE or NDA.
NDA.
Always.
Always.
Or seventh, book reading versus movie watching.
Book reading.
Book reading. So outdoor running versus swimming.
Outdoor running.
And hanging out with friends versus dating out with your girlfriend or your female friend.
Hanging out with friends.
Okay, that's a very tough choice. Getting selected in sixth attempt or getting selected in your first attempt.
Getting selected in 6th attempt.
Okay, that's your preference. Again, if this will happen to you, would you like to do the same?
I'll do it once again. Always.
And I've also heard that you give more credit to your conference out than to your recommendation
I agree.
in
100%.
developing your personality.
Yes.
11th, would you like to make a girlfriend in CTW Mahao or in CTW Pune?
In CTW Maho.
Okay, so the Pune girls are not, or I would say, very infamous for being very too disloyal.
No, nothing like that. It is just that Maho is somewhat closer to my hometown.
Okay, definitely. So trekking on Sunday or sleeping on Sunday?
Trekking.
13th, honest truth in interviewing officer room versus a prepared lie in front of interviewing officer.
Honest truth.
Okay. So again, front runner in GTO versus a group member in GTO.
Group member.
Okay, that's also good. 15. Easy and common topic in lecturate or hard topic in lecturate.
Easy and common topic. One you can speak proudly on.
Okay. 16th. Study in morning or study during night.
Study in morning.
Okay. And what would you prefer in night?
Just spending time watching movies or playing games.
That's
Relaxing.
good. How many hours you used to do study? Just
4-5 hours.
4-5 hours. That's enough.
Yes.
17. Reading one day before semester exam versus being early pre-prepared for your exam.
Reading one day before.
That's all the engineering guys are famous for. The next question, very interesting. Getting a general rank, a flag rank in the army, or getting a gallantry award in army.
Gallantry award.
Okay. Again, a posting in Siachen versus a posting as UN peacekeeper in Africa.
UN peacekeeper in Africa.
Why would so?
The combat experience is very, very much larger. You get to meet other forces, and your experience, your horizon increases basically. Many nationalities come there in the peacekeeping force, so the exposure increases.
So, a good camaraderie bond with a Pakistani officer or a Chinese officer?
Chinese officer.
Okay. Again, would you like to go on on a educational course of military with United States or United Kingdom?
United Kingdom. I would really like to meet someone from the SAS.
Special Air Service. Okay. So again, next question: U.S. Navy SEALs or British Special Air Service?
Special Air Service.
Always. So again, similar question: a posting as a defense attaché in Europe or US, or a posting as a spy in Pakistan or any neighboring misled country.
Posting as a spy.
Okay, that's also interesting. Again, Instagram or Snapchat.
Instagram.
Okay, the one more very genuine question next time. Preparing for SSB test, particularly for each test, or being a good human being, helpful person and genuine person in real life.
Being a good, helpful, and genuine person.
Okay, very good. So one more question regarding your favorite question. This would be Tavor gun or AK-47 gun. Favorite weapon.
Tavor.
Okay, so one more exercise: boxing or being good in academics, in the academy?
Boxing.
Boxing. The last question, PUBG versus Call of Duty.
Call of Duty.
So thank you. That was all, and it was very nice and genuine answers given by Manyavardhan. Bye.
Thank you.